Hi, Kevin Henry with Dental Assisting Digest, here today in our hometown of Tulsa, Oklahoma, talking to Mella Glenn, who's an office manager for Endodontic Specialties of Tulsa. And one of the things that we're going to be talking to Mella about today is that she actually received a scholarship from Patterson and the AADOM to attend the meeting in Las Vegas that's coming up at the end of this month. So Mella, tell us, how did this come about?
Well, I have a very wonderful Patterson rep named Grant, and Grant Moxley came to me and said, you know, you do a lot around the community, and what would you think if we nominated you? And I was thrilled. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful honor, and I've looked at the other candidates, so I'm even more honored because they all seem very impressive to me. But Patterson is somebody that we've done business with for a very, very long time, and I really think we have a great working relationship with them. So it's an honor that they sought me out and did that for me. I'm impressed with them.
Well, tell me some of the things that you do that really stood out to Patterson.
Well, I do a lot of community work, and I also do a lot of work with our general dentist. Because I work for an endodontic specialty practice, we have lots and lots of referring dentists, and there's a great information sharing. If we learn something, we go and teach it to our general dentist, and usually when I go to teach to the general dentist, I bring something wonderful back to my office. So it's a great mixing of the information across the dental arena.
And how long have you been an office manager?
I've been an office manager, I hate to admit it, but let's just say over 20 years.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair enough. What do you like so much about it?
I like it because I really do have a different job every day. I have so many components to my job. Every dental practice has these components. You have marketing, you have the financial, you have the customer service, you have the continuing ed. There's just a lot of different facets. And when you have that, then it makes your job interesting every day. It's not the same old thing.
I know a lot of our viewers are people who are just getting into the dental assisting or the front office or the office manager position. What's some tips for success maybe you could offer to them, or something that's really helped you along the way?
When I very first started, the thing that helped me the most were other receptionists, other people doing the same job I was doing. And I learned very early on that if I networked, I'd be a much, much better employee and I'd be much better at my job. So that's how I started. So if you have to do one single thing, it is reach out and find some other dental manager that's doing the same job you're doing, and have lunch with her, talk over what you're worried about, and you're going to find just immediate help. Every one of us wants to share what we already know.
And has that been pretty easy for you to just find people to link into here in the local area?
It has been. We have absolutely fabulous dental receptionists and dental office managers in the Tulsa area. I'm really impressed with the caliber of people that are getting hired into these positions, and all of us have had to learn to be better and better, especially since the economy hasn't been so great. We've all really had to be at the top of our game to keep things going in a productive way.
And obviously you're going to Las Vegas, I'm going to Las Vegas, so what are you most excited about as far as the meeting goes?
I am going because they have some great courses that I'm going to take. I'm really excited about some of the offerings that they have, but the biggest thing I'm excited about is meeting the other people that are going to be there, because I think there's something out there that's going to help me be better, help our office be better, and so I'm going to really be out there networking and trying to find people that have better and bigger ideas than I do.
Nice. Last question for you. What is maybe the toughest part of your job?
I think the toughest part of my job right now really is the economy, to be honest with you. We're having to do marketing, which all dental offices are doing. We're having to reach out there and shake the public and say, you know what, we know times are tough, but your dental care is very much a part of your overall health, and you just have to take care of it. And that probably is it right now, is just making sure that we stay productive and that we are doing what we're supposed to do in order to stay on top and not drop, because it has been a difficult market out there. But you know, every day it gets just a little bit better, so I think we're on the upswing.
Well, I look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas, and I'm glad I could come across town to Tulsa to meet you. So.
Well, and now I know you'll be in Las Vegas, so I already know nobody there. There you go.
Well, thanks for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.